kawana te anara, who inspired you in your life?
So I've mentioned a few people already. I mentioned Dame Cindy Kiro, and that's why I felt compelled to go to her tangi and to be there at her marae with her people and recognising and acknowledging them and their willingness to share her with so many of us. I was inspired by my grandmother, who was a feisty woman. She didn't take things lying down, but she was incredibly hardworking. And, I'm incredibly proud of my siblings because every single one of them are workers. They work hard for everything that they've got. And, they love their families, they've cared for their families, they've raised their families, they're there for their families. And to me, they're really decent people. I also am inspired by other people in the world, some of whom I've had a chance to meet and some of whom I haven't. I especially most deeply am inspired by people who go through the most difficult of events in life and who come out with compassion and who come out with a depth of understanding of what they've been through. To me, that takes a really deep, deep character. And there's a lot of people in the world like that, and that's what gives me hope for the future.
Thank you.